Okay, Mark wants to clean up this motor a little bit. So
I do.
so there's your triple aught steel wool.
Okay.
CRC, squirt some on the cover. Just a little bit. Good enough for now. Put your scraper on there. You can see how nasty it looks over here. Okay, where's your, I'll clean over there. I'm trying to get before and after.
Mm.
Damn.
Wow. Looks fancy.
Problem with the chrome and video camera, you can't see much. So you got dull and see it's shiny. See, it's a lot smoother. You still got a little bit of pitting in there. Not too bad.
So you got a dent right there too.
Yeah, I noticed that. Someone either lightened out too hard the buffer, they hit it with a big hammer. Nobody around here would do that, obviously.
Clearly. No.
Yeah, we would never do that. All right, I can do the whole thing.
Wow. That's nice.
Yeah, it looks better than your crappy motor you had.
My motor is beautiful. I know what you're talking about.
Except it has a bad case and the rods are tight, evidently. His rods don't move like mine do here. See, he has no wiggle up here. These ones have very little wiggle. The biggest thing is they slide side to side down here. See it? Yeah, light. So you want these to be able to slide side to side like that. And if they don't slide to side like that, then they're tight. They're oval shaped, which means they're pinched on the side and there's no clearance. That's why they're tied up in here. Just look at any twin cam or M8 motor like that. Here's at least this back one, the front one, because it's real thin. These back ones are tighter. Seems like new. Now if we clean all the dirt and crap out of there, it might get looser. I hope it does, because it's a little tight for my liking. But it's free, move back and forth. So you test the crank, if it's any good. If it comes up on its own gravity, it's good.
All right.
What do you got over there? Everything looks shiny now.
Look at that.
Jeez, it's like shiny. Smooth.
Fancy.
Turn that light off. It's like new, except for all those big pits right there. We can live with that. I know I can. It's good on this side. You know, it's smooth over there. It's only crappy right here where the air hits it. It's also where the carburetor comes down and drains on it. Maybe it's the fuel does that. We'll blame it on the California gas.
Yeah.
I don't know if this motor came from California though. We'll still blame it on that.
I would.
Yeah, looks a lot better. Did you get the bottom too?
I did.
Clean in there. Ooh, look at that. It's clean all the way around. Good enough for you now?
Yeah.
Looks a lot better now, doesn't it?
It does.
Would it take you 5 minutes?
Not even that.
Not even that? 3 minutes? It didn't cost you anything either because you used my stuff. My CRC, my 3M or triple aught. See, now you're happy. You make that work on your mom. He needs a loaner motor real quick. He just has to talk him into thinking he needs it more than you think he does. Are you you like it better now as a loaner?
I don't know. I'm still thinking about
Okay, what do you think about it? He needs the motor back together real quick for a priority deal. Important date coming up. Hey, you've got to clean everything off. You got to get the gasket scraper out.
it. Yeah.
Geez, why would you get one of those around here?
I don't want to make a clean spot because I don't have to do the whole thing.
Yeah, that's right. Look at that. Try a different angle. Move around. Gasket right there. They don't want to come off.
It does not.
It's either you or it's the gasket.
It's
Which one is it?
me. It's me.
It's you? Okay, good.
It's always me.
Now, don't put a hole there now. Just get the heavy stuff off. The thin stuff doesn't have to come off because it's thin, but let me see that. I think you're making just a high spot on there. There, see, it came right off when I did it.
I didn't want to stab it.
Stab it. Just gotta get the right angle. It was like a dome, and I just came from the side with the high spot, so I had something to push against. That's why you move around. And just like that, just turn it 90 degrees and come from the other and hit it from the back. Come from the back side. That takes it off better.
Yeah.
Just hit it from a different angle. Well, we gotta weld up your case too. Yeah, I definitely want to use this case for now. I need this case for a mock-up. Hey, what are you doing over there? No, keep it the same angle. Try rotating it. Let me see. Push like this really hard and then rotate like this as you're pushing. So it's like a knife action going on.
Mm-hmm.
Try that. Yeah, you're not very good at that, are you?
No, clearly.
Is it you or is it the
No, it's me.
gasket?
I'm sure it's me.
There you go. A piece of crap came out that time. Yeah, I think that guy finally showed up. Sounds like somebody's lost out there. Get in this direction here. On thin gasket strip, you want to be careful because you can definitely cut angles on it. Gasket's kicking your ass.
It really is.
There goes the tripod. Good thing we're not using it. The wheels are in the way, aren't they? What are you getting there? Come in a straight angle like this. See how aluminum's coming up? That means you're leaning into it too much. We're trying to not protect the gaskets over there a little bit. Go from the other side of the back. See how you dug in the aluminum right there? Right there.
I think that was already there.
I think that's nice shiny too. Yeah, that was there before. That was definitely there before. No doubt about it. You getting anything done?
Yeah.
Oh, good. If it leaks, it's your fault.
Usually, yeah.
Oh, told you. All right, we'll let Mark finish. Phone call.